नमस्कार, मैं हूं शेफ सत्या। फिर से मेरा चैनल में आप सब लोग का स्वागत है। आज हम बनाएंगे पिंक पर्च फिश इन इस हिंदी इज कॉल्ड रानी फिश। तो ये जो हम फिश बनाएंगे ये है कोकोनट ग्रेवी के साथ, स्पाइसी कोकोनट ग्रेवी महाराष्ट्रियन स्टाइल। चलिए देखते हैं। सबसे पहले ये रिक्वेस्ट है, आप भूलिए मत कि इस चैनल सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए। ये डिश बहुत ही अच्छा है। फिश आप इस राइस के साथ और रोटी के साथ भी आप सर्व कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए आपको चाहिए पिंक पर्च और रानी फिश, कोकोनट मिल्क, ग्रीन चिली एंड सम स्पाइसेस लाइक turmeric एंड coriander पाउडर। चलिए देखते हैं, शुरुआत करते हैं आज का स्पेशल डिश पिंक पर्च और रानी फिश विथ कोकोनट ग्रेवी।
Hello everyone, welcome to Cook with Chef Satya. Today we are making a delicious and flavorful recipe, pink perch, also known as a Rani fish with spicy coconut gravy. This rich and creamy fish curry is very easy to prepare at home. Let's first look at the ingredients we need: pink perch, onion, green chili, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, curry powder, cumin seeds, salt, lemon juice, coconut milk, chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander, and curry leaves. Of course, mustard oil. First of all, clean the fish properly and salt, turmeric powder, and lemon juice, and then marinate it for 15 minutes. Like that way, you have to marinate all the clean fish. Heat mustard oil in a pan and lightly fry the fish on both sides. Depend on you want to fry or you want to use a raw one. Now add coriander seeds, the hot mustard oil, and then mustard seeds, some bay leaves, and little bit sauce in the oil. Now add chopped onion, stir oil just until soft and light brown. Now add green chili, fresh green chili, and you can add some dry chili as well. Finally, add ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute. Now for the extra flavor, you have to add some fresh curry leaves, chili oil. Now add chili powder, turmeric powder, curry powder and salt, and add some water with a lid. Have to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. You can add some water and then mix it oil and lid and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. After that, you can add the chopped tomatoes. Again, mix it oil and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes until tomato cooks soft. Cover with the lid, and you can see now nice smell around the kitchen. Nice color as well. Tomato already cooked. Now finally, you have to add the coconut milk. Mix it well again with a nice color, nice coconut, creamy, very rich coconut milk. Wow, with a nice color. And you have to cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes with the lid. Now gravy almost ready now. You can see. Place the fried or raw fish into the gravy and cook cover for 5 to 7 minutes on low heat, one by one. And remember, don't stir too much with the spatula, otherwise it will be break. Our delicious Pink Perch Rani Fish with spicy coconut gravy is ready now. By the time I add some chili for extra spicy and then extra flavor, fresh chili and chopped fresh coriander leaves, and it will mix together into the gravy. Spicy coconut gravy is ready now. Look at that, nice color, flavor, and the texture very creamy, rich. Finally, you will add some chopped coriander in it for the more flavor, like that way. and some green chili over the curry. And after that, finally cook just 2 to 3 minutes another, and then done. It's ready now. Now it's time to serve. Before service, we have to add some garnish for more presentation. Food always should be look nice, good taste, good quality, good quantity. Otherwise, that is not good food. So now let's do the plating now. Look at that. Well cooked, nice color, nice flavor. Yeah, add some gravy, of course. You can serve with a hot rice or naan bread or chapati. Here we go, our delicious pink perch Rani fish with spicy coconut gravy. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel Cook with Chef Satya. फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में नए कुछ रेसिपी के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय. आप सब लोग स्वस्थ रहे. टेक केयर.